when in the book you talk about developing your voice to write with confidence, and I sometimes struggle with that. Writing concise, so Rita is all about bite size, yeah, important, and injecting some kind of personality or humanness to how you write. So you might write a social post and you kind of make it quite clear and succinct, but then if you add in a bit, you feel like it's a bit dry, direct and dry, if you like. And then I kind of go, okay, well, I'll add in a bit more personality, and then it becomes much longer. And it's like, oh, how do
Yes.
I balance that? Have you got any
Balance.
advice? Yeah.
Yeah. It's always a balancing act, right? So I think I heard you say clear and concise and then dry on something. That was super
Dry,
funny.
direct and dry.
Okay, so we have
Dry
clear
and
and
dull.
concise, direct and dry. So a similar phrase that I use in class is concise and nice, because actually we can balance them. It's a great question, especially now because I'm hearing from readers that they're already tired of sort of bot speak. People are already recognizing when something's been written by AI and they're kind of tuning out.
Yeah.
And I think we're also in a cultural moment where people are tuning out from that sort of long-winded bureaucratic language, like we were just talking about. We even have people in younger generations feeling like that's potentially passive aggressive or overly hierarchical, right? And so we run into generational troubles with that. And so I think what we can do two things. Number one, we can try to make our entire message very concise, but then use the moment that we think is emotional, potentially for a reader to be a little longer and a little more careful. So we can sort of sacrifice concision in the important moment of something that could be upsetting or confusing or concerning, but maintain concision for the rest. But for a sentence, like on social media or even like a Teams post or email, what I always tell people is write with who and what in the beginning, who did something, what did they do? And then mess with your what, which is your verb, because that's where you can get tone. For example, I could say, hey, the committee requests your feedback. Sounds a little okay, but maybe a little pushy, like I'm not in the mood to give feedback. Now I'm going to change it. The committee invites your feedback, and now it sounds a little less mandatory, but I feel a little more empowered, right? So we can always use the verb to adjust who gets power. Are we friendly and courteous, or are we overly direct? It's the verbs that do all that, which is great because those are also the most concise, like heavy meaning words. So they help us be concise, but they also help us set that tone.
Me again, thanks for watching. We really want to support our community of high-value writers, so we have lots of new learning opportunities and discounts for 2024. Let me tell you about them quickly. If you like what you're learning in the videos, a lot of that is described in the High Value Writing book, and here is a coupon for 20% off, code HighValueWriter. We also have the book as an electronic format, so wherever you may live, you can use this code to get half off. We also, of course, have the book on Amazon if that's easier for you. To get even deeper and to really practice your skills in a more interactive way, we have e-courses now. I'm in all of them, talking to you about how to make revisions to make sure that your writing is meeting the purposes that you want. So check it out. Again, 20% off with High Value Writer. I hope to see you in class. If you take a class, you get the chance to leave questions. I'll answer you in 24 hours. And you get the chance to talk with other participants who have taken it as well in the discussion board. So check out these opportunities. Let me know if you have a question, and I hope to see you soon, either here or in one of these classes.